of times people think it's not my business. I need to stay out of other people's lives.
From you to city, county, and school leaders, what can we do to protect New Mexico children? City and county leaders held a special meeting tonight to talk about improving safety for children.
This following the shocking murder last week of 10-year-old Victoria Marten. News 13's Lizzie Mitri was there, and she is live tonight at the City County building downtown. Lizzie?
Dean, that meeting wrapped up here about 2 hours ago. The public, representatives from the schools, police department, and CYFD all outlined programs that already exist and then talked about what more can be done.
When it comes to child abuse, there should be no boundaries.
The Bernalillo County Sheriff's Department was the first to raise the issue, but they weren't the last.
We're not just a poor state, we're an extremely impoverished state. And I think, sadly, sometimes money seems to be one of the biggest cures for our ills.
Community leaders talked about funding to improve drug treatment, mental health services, and child abuse prevention following the disturbing murder of 10-year-old Victoria Marten last week.
I cannot speak to this particular case if there were any indicators that we could have picked up, but yes, I mean, could we do a better job as a community? Absolutely.
It's incredibly great that we have policy leaders coming together to have this discussion, but we don't want to forget the work that's already been done.
The mayor's office points to a task force created 2 years ago after Omari Varela's mother was accused of kicking her 9-year-old son to death. Money went toward hiring 1 part-time and 2 full-time child abuse liaisons to work with law enforcement in providing services to families in need. But the city says they see up to 1,300 cases a month, and it's asking for 4 more liaisons. Similarly, Albuquerque Public Schools says it has counselors to work with students and families on substance abuse issues, but not enough.
We don't have enough crossroad counselors to cover the entire district.
Same with social workers, 9 in the district who can work with students who are not in the special education program.
That's not enough.
That discussion lasted for about 3 hours. After hearing ideas from the community and local agencies about what might help, now city and county leaders have to go back and figure out how to make that happen. Back to you.
All right, Lizzie, thank you. The mayor's office estimates the city pours about $30 million each year into child protection programs and resources.